Introducing the product value chain. Every great product begins with a need. Manufacturing, distributing, and selling products isn't just about the product itself. It's about creating value, enhancing experiences, and exceeding expectations. Bridging that need with innovation requires more than just ideas. It requires technology. At Boyum IT, we care about your why. That's why we don't just develop software. We create innovative cloud solutions that enhance every stage of the product value chain. Our software is the backbone that supports and enhances each phase of the product journey, ensuring that every decision made is a step towards exceeding customer expectations. Imagine a world where ideas seamlessly transform into technical specifications. Our solutions connect teams, enhance collaborations, and accelerate product development, distribution, and sales. We ensure a transparent, efficient, and data-driven product value chain, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Quality is never compromised. Real-time data visibility prevents issues before they arise. From warehouse to delivery, our software optimizes logistics, ensuring products reach customers faster and smarter. A successful launch isn't just about selling. It's about a positive customer experience. Let us help you bring products to life. Boyum IT, powering innovation, quality, and efficiency. Bring your products to life.